A little update for you on the 2006 Chevy that countdown to 400,000 miles. I'm about 2 months behind on getting all my videos posted, so I need to do a quick and current update and bring you up to speed and let you know the current mileage on it is 396,234. Again, current mileage is 396,234. That's on Wednesday, May 13th at 7:23 p.m. So for everybody that's trying to get the right date and time that this thing hits 400,000 miles, you need that little tidbit of information. It is a V8. It's the Vortec 5.3. So down in the bottom, I want you to comment the time and date that you think I'm gonna hit 400,000, and I will keep you updated weekly on the status of mileage. And I'm happy to say that Small Sliders in Tyler is going to help me out a little bit with the promotion on this 400,000 miles. And as you can see, the truck's sitting here running at the moment. Anyway, like I said, Smalls is going to help me out with the promotion on this a little bit. And this Friday the 15th is National Sliders Day. So if you will stop by Small Sliders in Tyler on National Sliders Day, they are giving away a free slider for you to try. So if you haven't tried them, that's your chance to get one for free and see how you like it. Oh, nope, correction, that's with purchase. You have to purchase one. We've all had them. Bad days. Nothing seems to go right. Well, I can tell you over here at Small Sliders, the sun's always shining. The line moves fast, we got a smile on our face, and we want to share the sunshine with you. We've got great beef sliders, waffle fries, and milkshakes you'll write back home about. So stop by and see us for a little bit of sunshine and some great food. You know us. We're the building with the orange shipping containers on top. We call them cans. Hey guys, I want to tell y'all a few things about sliders that's helping me out with the truck. I'm trying to reach 400,000 miles on this truck. I'm at 300 and some odd thousand now. I'll show you the speedometer here in just a minute. But I wanted to tell you, they're giving you away a free cup of queso if you will present this card to them. And if you don't necessarily want the queso, you can actually give them this card and it will give you one free slider. Now, the first 10 people that like, subscribe, and comment about this card in my video, I will send you this card. You get a free cup of queso, or you can use the card to get one free slider. You will love these. Give them a try. Here's your chance to try one for free. Like, subscribe, and comment that you did those items. All right? Hey, if y'all haven't made it out to Small Sliders yet, y'all need to give them a try. I want to let you know that they give discounts to senior citizens, to service members, and to first responders. Come visit them, let them know that you're a first responder, you're a senior citizen. They'll take good care of you. Hey guys, they just told me, Small Sliders, if you will like and comment on this video and then mention it at the drive-thru or at the walk-up window here at Small Sliders in Tyler, they will also provide you a discount on your order. But you have to tell them you saw the truck trying to get 400,000 miles, and let them know that you saw it and you liked it and you subscribed to this channel, and they will give you a discount on your order. That's the deal, guys. Like and subscribe and comment.
Got the barbecue combo number 2 all the way.
Awesome.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for sliding through. Appreciate you.